Hey everyone, it's Teacher Cams. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. In this series, I will talk about MS Excel basics to advanced practical use, specifically made for teachers and students. The version of Excel program that I'm going to be using is MS Office Home and Student 2019 on a Mac OS. Don't fret if you're using an older version or even a newer version and on a Windows OS. I'd say about 95% of what I'll be showing you here will be pretty much the same. Once you open Excel, it will bring you to the templates page. You can either choose to open a template like the ones you see here and all sorts of spreadsheets that are already made for you. You can see you have a personal budget, family budget, weekly assignment schedule, timesheet, 12-month calendar, workout log, etc. And over here in the search tab, you can even search for more templates online. For example, if I type budget, you can choose from a plethora of budgeting templates. Say you want to manage your money, a personal budget, a family budget, channel marketing budget, wedding budget expenses comparison, a wedding budget tracker, college income and expenses budget, party planner and checklist. If I type in schedule, you can choose from weekly assignment schedule, daily schedule, academic calendar, weekly chore schedule, student schedule, event schedule, weekly college schedule. I can even track my workouts through Excel spreadsheets, just like this workout log, exercise planner, and a monthly personal planner. If you do find one that suits your needs, you can click on it, then hit create. I encourage you to find time and explore all these other templates already available for you to use because much of the work has already been done for you. Now, in order to really understand how Excel fully works properly, it would be best to start on a blank workbook. Let's first brush up on some of the Excel vocabularies and terminologies that you need to be familiar with. First, we have the ribbon. The ribbon is broken into several tabs, such as Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View tab. If I open the Home tab, it opens up the Home tab ribbon, and each ribbon is divided further into groups. In Excel 2016 version, you can see that the groups are named as clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. Some groups give you a drop-down menu for more options. Excel 2016, there is a launch button that gives you more options for each group. In the spreadsheet itself, we have columns, column A, B, C, and then we have rows, 2, 3, 4. As soon as you reach column Z, it will start again as AA, AB, AC, so on and so forth. So as you can see, there are unlimited numbers of columns and rows in each spreadsheet. The intersection of a column and a row is what we call a cell, and every cell in a spreadsheet has a cell address or cell name. This particular cell that is highlighted is called D5. It is the number and the letter that corresponds to the column and the row in which the cell is found. If you click around, it will tell you G7, A1, F5, E5, H1, H14, J13, K8, K5, etc. A group of cells that are next to each other is called a range. A cell range also has a name. For example, A3 through G3 separated by a colon. Another example would be this highlighted box, which is named as A1 through D9, again separated by a colon. Sheets are what makes an Excel workbook. Down at the bottom, you can see it's numbered as Sheet 1, and then if you click the plus sign, it adds another sheet as 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. At the bottom right corner, you can slide the zoom in and out slider for better viewing options. You can also choose to toggle back and forth to normal view, page layout view, and page break view, depending on your preference. That's it for part 1. I'll see you on part 2. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!